Everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we'll discuss about how to easily crack CMA Foundation, CMA Intermediate और CMA Final in first attempt. सभी CMA स्टूडेंट का ये डाउट होता है कि फाउंडेशन, इंटरमीडिएट और फाइनल किस तरीके से हम एक एक अटेम्प्ट में निकाले ताकि हमारा कैंपस प्लेसमेंट अच्छे से हो जाए और एक गुड जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी हम लोगों को मिल जाए. तो यस गाइस, इफ वी फॉलो द स्ट्रेटजीज we can easily crack foundation, intermediate or final in first attempt. Guys, if you heard the words of recently qualified CMAs or even though the rank holders, the first priority they always preferred CMA study material. But yes, I am accepting that there are some mistakes in the study material, but please ignore that. And yes, institute is also working, but till now there is no such kind of improvement in study material. But please ignore these mistakes and still follow your study material. Study material is the best medicine to crack your CMA foundation, intermediate or final in first attempt. You can always heard the same word from the qualified CMA. I am also a qualified CMA and even though from rank holder. So first complete your CMA study material as soon as possible, but accepting that theoretical subject you can buy some reference book. Okay, if you are facing problem in law or an audit paper, so you can buy some reference book, but for practical please complete your study material as soon as possible. Then 2 time at least revision it must be needed to crack foundation intermediate in first attempt. Okay, first complete your syllabus, 2 time revision, then complete and solve the 2016 syllabus all past year paper, then complete the workbook MCQ booklet which easily you can get from from institute website. I have already prepared a video how to get workbook and MCQ booklet. Okay, apart from this, before starting the examination guys, institute release the model test paper or mock paper. Please, every student should solve all these model test paper or mock paper. So if you follow this strategy, I can assure you that easily foundation, intermediate or final you can crack in a first attempt. Please, I can assure that please follow this strategy. Apart from this, there is nothing left. If you follow this strategy, you can easily crack foundation, intermediate or final. First complete your study material, then 2 time revision, then solve 2016 study material, suggested answers, and then MCQ booklet, workbook. And whenever institute release model test paper or mock paper, just solve these model test paper or mock paper or easily you can crack your CMA examination, any stage, foundation, inter or final. So this is the best strategy to crack CMA foundation, intermediate or final in first attempts. Okay, so still you have any doubt or have any question or need my guidance, you can ask me. But from my side, that's all about this video. Bye guys.